episode. And so here we are. And a little intro about me. I am a young bushcraftsman, and I do many things. See my wonderful backyard behind it. Summer when it starts snowing, we put the snow on the ground. I like to build some shelters back there with the trusty tarp here. It's sturdy. And yeah, so welcome to our channel, GJ's Bushcraft. We're doing a couple videos. I should be getting a new camera soon. Don't like using my camera, but you know, use what you got. So, behind me, we just had a major snowstorm, and behind me we have I built just because I like building things. And here's the basic one. It's got about, I don't know, 2 feet still, all up right here on the sides, and probably all the way around, about 5. Then I originally was trying to nail a snow anchor, which snow anchor is when you nail something in the ground, pile of snow, and it's like, it's rock hard. It's not moving. But that failed. So I decided to take some paracord, take out some holes in the tarp, and tie it off. Put a snow anchor in the ground. I mean, these things are like rock hard. Did about, I don't know, 4 or 5 of those. And then also take you here real quick. In the middle of there, it's my sleeping bag, but there's a main pole that's holding it up, which you could probably tell by that right there. Just a pole. Do a quick tour. So yeah, we just had a big snowfall here in Kentucky, and yeah, trying to make a snow shelter. It's really warm in there. And that's pretty much it. This thing right here is one of those windshield things you buy for your car. I just decided to put one on there, just like a heat reflector, because it flips like this. It's almost like a door.